Welcome back to the channel. I made tofu and it came out nice. So this is the recipe. The first thing is white vinegar, or you can use any coagulant like fermented pap water. So this is the soya beans, 3 cups. I soaked it for 5 hours. It's best soak overnight though. And I'm using pepper. This is pepper flakes. So I'll be adding some seasoning and salt. Then this is the oil that I'll be using frying meat. After cleaning the soaked soya beans, you pour into a blender and blend, or you can take it to your local grinder then blend until smooth. After blending, you have to sieve. Use a cheesecloth, then sieve out the chaff and separate it from the milk. Boil the meat on medium to low heat. You can remove the foam from the milk to avoid creating mess. Then you allow the milk to not boil but to be very hot. Then you pour in your coagulants. I'm using white vinegar. After adding the coagulants, you leave it to continue cooking for like 5 minutes or so. Then after 5 minutes, you realize that it has started forming. You can see that it's already formed here. Then at this point, some people may decide, some people actually add their pepper here. If you want to put pepper or salt, you can add your salt here if you want, but I didn't add mine here. So you cover and allow it to sit for 5 minutes before you now separate the milk, the formed tofu from the whey. So the way I'm doing mine is, after pouring some of the foam content, I added my seasoning and pepper flakes. I just want to do it this way, because that's how I like it. But if you like, you can cook your pepper in the water, or you just do it this way. all of this, you tie the cheesecloth, put it in a sieve, just the way I'm doing it, then place an heavy object on it and let it sit for like 2 hours. This is for you to get the right form. So this is after 2 hours, it has already formed into shape. Then you can start cutting to your own preferred shape.